Oh, private. I want something good. Hello everybody, welcome back. Today is a very special day. Season 3 has finally come out. I know I'm a little late, but I couldn't post during the day for personal reasons, you know. But this is my first time actually opening Krunker. And either I got some weird texture mod on thingy. Yeah, I do. Yeah, this is my first time opening it this season, and I'm so excited to explore it with you guys, so this is gonna be pretty crazy. Ooh, that actually looks pretty sick, I'm gonna be honest. That's actually pretty insane. Okay, let's see what's new here. So, new free spin. Those aren't working for me for some reason. We got a new secondary pistol, dang. Added a lot of new weapon skins, added a few cosmetic items. I wonder what those are. Yeah, the semi-auto's remodeled too, and the sound is different, so I'm looking forward to that. Same with the Uzi, and they added back kanji. That's gonna be interesting. And then we got favorite maps, for map tabs, user assets, you know, show the profile, asset texture packs are now smooth. Oh, so semi-auto got a bit of a buff. Slightly reduced FAMAS recoil, same with the FAMAS. Dang, a lot of items, a lot of guns got buffed. Added high risk. Okay, so we got some shadows. Added soft shadows setting. So the rest of that is just like a bunch of creative stuff, and so yeah, that's pretty cool. And as you guys can see, I'm gonna be doing a 50,000 KR unboxing, so that's gonna be pretty crazy. And yeah, that's gonna be crazy. That I really hope I get something good. We're gonna have to hope it's something great. Let's see how the marksman looks though. Oh wow. It's a bit. Oh, it sounds clean too. Dang, I actually really like it. Let me just turn down my game audio here. That's actually pretty crazy. Yeah, so I feel like there's so much to cover for season 3, but I really wanna do the unboxing, cause like I've seen so many items, like all the back blings are actually insane. I love them. Okay, let me find a quick kanji game. Kanji. I know there's only one person, but I just really want to explore the map. That's all I want. Ooh, and I actually want to try the pistol too. Oh, what the heck? I have it on. Did I open this game already? Weird. I don't know if that's just a default setting or something like that. But yeah, let's oh wow. Dude, this is not at all like kanji. I was expecting it to be like a bit different, like kanji, but just maybe, you know, added a few different buildings and areas, but this is completely different. Okay, let me test out this pistol. It's apparently an auto pistol, so let's quickly. Dude, I wonder how much damage it does. Probably not that much. It's probably like an SMG, but just really, really bad. Dang, that's actually crazy. Dang, okay, what else do we got to cover? Ooh, yeah, we got, take a look at the Uzis. See how these look. This is gonna be, oh! Dude, that sounds crisp. Yeah. Okay, so that's insane. What else do we got here? I think that's about it for that. Now, oh, I'm gonna do the unboxing now. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm unboxing 53. Y'all ready for this? Well, I don't care because I'm starting. First spin, we start off strong. Obsidian, dang, not bad. Right, he's got a bit of a spray. Oh no, no, that was so close. Dang it. I need a relic or contraband, dude. I need it. These gun skins, they're not. That's decent, but they're not too good. He's got amber. Ooh, that's actually nice. Okay, I got another obsidian. Stop debating me. I just want to get it over with. I just want to spend all my KR right now and get something good. I beg, man. Please. I've saved up so much KR for this. Oh, private. I saved up so much KR for this. Please, I want something good. No! That should be unobtainable! No! That's not unobtainable. Oh my gosh. Dude, if this video does not go viral because of that, What? Okay, we gotta die. I'm not upset about that. We've sent a lot of KR already, but we gotta die. Alright? That's pretty good. I should have an unobtainable. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna troll or anything. Like, I freaking should have an unobtainable right now. Dude, another one. Got a bit of a kanji one there. Okay, I really want that Contra. I want a Contra. I'm not gonna go too far to say unobtainable, but I really want that Contra. I need contraband. Come on, man. Dang it, dang it, dang it. That's actually pretty cool skin back there. Space one. Dude, I'm so hyped. I'm not quite halfway done yet. And I've gotten 2 relics. I'm pretty psyched about that, but I really want some more good stuff, man. I really want that Contra. Contraband, 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 contraband. Dang it. Okay, we got this, guys. We got this. We need to regather here. All right, let's go. Let's go, man. Let's go. We're halfway done, man. Let's flip and go. Let's go. Ooh. Dang, that's nice. But not what we want. Okay, this isn't very good. Oh, by the way, I'm really liking what that's saying there. You know, you guys should kind of pay attention to that comment there. But anyways, we need to get that contract. Contra, dang it! Stinky stank. Shark box. Come on. 2 carbon fires in a row. I've gotten so many disco assault rifles. Just give me the tank Contra. Come on, I got this. Just spin a little better. You know what? We need this luck, guys. We need it. I'm sorry, but we need it. We need it! gonna happen. I'm going to get a Contra if it's sooner or later. This season, if I don't get a Contra this season, you guys don't know how mad I'm gonna be. If I don't get a Season 3 Contra, it's literally suicide we're talking about, guys. Like, come on. I'm still so triggered that I didn't get an Unobtainable back there. I'm so triggered. Come on. Please give me something good. It's the beginning of Season 3, you know. Come on. That's like, the least you can do is just give me something at least half decent. No? Come on. That's good. But I don't want it. Oh, this looks a bit copyrighted from Call of Duty. Black Ops 3. I don't know about that. I don't know. What I do know is that these frame cap ain't working. Try. Let's just try 90. I feel like it's gonna go a bit faster and stop ticking me off so much. Come on, I got this. 10,000 KR left. 20 more. 20 more. I beg, at least another relic. Just another relic. Just another relic. Nothing else. Nothing else. I'm not even gonna go for contraband anymore. Just another relic. Alright? I would really appreciate another relic. This is triggering me. Like, I'm not gonna be able to go to sleep tonight knowing that I got an Unobtainable, but it didn't even give it to me. That's gonna trigger me so hard. You guys don't know. You all literally don't. You don't understand my hurt. Come on. Dang it, please. Come on. Dang it. Give me something. God. I don't want a safe on my back. I don't want a blue gun. I don't want a blue back bling again. Dang. I don't want legendaries. Okay? Most people take this. Most people like look at that and they're like, okay, that's pretty good. But no, it's not. Just give me something good, dang it. Come on. This is so angering. Just give me a relic or contra. 5 spins left, is that really? Less than 5. 3 more spins. 3 more spins. 2 more spins. 3 more spins. Last spin, guys. Last spin. Last one. Pisses me off, too. Pisses me off. Well, let's go to my inventory. Let's see what we got, guys. So, all worth 0 KR. Not gonna lie, I'm pretty upset. Not gonna lie, I'm pretty upset. These two relics, I mean, this looks like it doesn't look good. It just, oh, I'm so broken. Oh, by the way, you guys want to see something really heartbreaking? I did this once. I gave away 23,813 KR. I gave away my sheriff head from season 1. And I gave away a Volt Fang knife worth 16k in the Krunker item shop. I wasted everything. I should have one of these, guys. I should have one of those. You know how pissed off I am? I'm so pissed off. You guys don't even understand. I want to commit die. Look at this. Oh yeah, uh-huh. Look at that bandito. Like, I want that. Let's look around here. Let's look around here for something. That looks scary. I'm gonna cry from that. What? Okay, where's the assault rifle I got? Guys, where's that assault rifle I got? Here? No. A green. A green is that rare. Look at all these rare ass items. No one's ever gotten them before. About 3 or 2 people have. Just look at how rare those dang items are. Well guys, hope you enjoyed the video. To make me feel better inside and not want to cry like a lot, I would appreciate so much if you guys would just like if you liked, comment if you like commenting, and subscribe if you like subscribing. And that's it for me for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this new season 3 video, and I'll make sure to catch you next time. Peace out.